Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thank you. Preview of the 2023 Hyundai Kona EV. The 2023 Hyundai Kona EV might be the perfect ride for eco-conscious drivers. It has respectable range, a powerful engine, and is affordable. The Kona Electric was introduced for 2022, thus there have been no major revisions for 2023. Performance. The front wheels of the 2023 Kona Electric are propelled by a motor that generates 201 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. A 64 kWh battery supplies energy to the motor, allowing it to travel 415 km on a single charge. Level 2 charging takes just over 9 hours to fully recharge the battery, whereas a 100 kW Level 3 charger can accomplish the same job in approximately 47 minutes. Practicality. The electric version of the 2023 Kona, like the gas-powered predecessor, has 544 liters of cargo space behind the rear seats and, with the seats folded down, 1,296 liters. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with pedestrian and cyclist recognition are just some of the driver aid and safety features available on the Kona Electric. Costs in Canada. Prices for the 2023 Hyundai Kona EV range from $46,324 for the base preferred trim to $51,424 for the top-of-the-line ultimate variant. Color options might cost as much as $650. Thanks for watching, give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.